Dinnerware, Mary, and I will tell you that already we have taken orders for Sean. I'm not hearing you. Should I be hearing Sean? I'm not hearing Sean. Can anyone hear Sean? Oh, okay. Can someone tell someone on the crew how many have been ordered, and you can tell me? 350. Thank you. Fantastic. Yeah, I heard Mary, and then all of a sudden it just stopped. All right, so what we're talking about is Temp-tations Dinnerware, stoneware. You're going to get service for 4, and what do you get in service for 4? You're going to get a dinner plate, a salad plate, a soup cereal bowl, and a beautiful mug. This is your service for 4. So 18-ounce bowls, 14-ounce mugs, dinner plates, salad plates, and you're getting service for 4. 4 of everything that I've just shown you. So this is remarkable. What I also want to tell you is that you've got an opportunity to order multiples because there is 0 shipping and handling on this. So you've got a great opportunity to enjoy free shipping and handling. So if you want service for 8, get 2 sets. Want service for 12, get 3 sets. So this is what it's all about. We've got a new earpiece for me. Yes? Okay, so let's bring that in. In the meantime, why don't we bring in Lisa Lasorte, our special guest, and hopefully we can hear her, and she'll be able to tell you about the dinnerware while I get my earpiece swapped out. Lisa, are you there?
I am. I'm here. And boy, how exciting it is with our dinnerware on free shipping because stoneware's heavy. And to have dinnerware come right to your door, most people actually pick up 3 sets. So you have service for 12. And David, when you think about dinnerware, arguably you use it more than bakeware. We use it for breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, appetizers. We're constantly reaching. You're going to get 4 of our 10.5-inch dinner plates. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm holding the floral lace yellow right here. We have this in our 3 most popular patterns of Old World floral lace and Old World. The dinner plate has that coupe design. What does that mean? It means anything that has a sauce or a gravy, it's just perfect because it just dips down into the center and it just perfectly holds all those sauces right onto the plate. Then you're going to get that 8-inch salad plate, luncheon plate, whatever you need it to be, plate portion control that sits right on top of there. Beautiful display all the way around. Then you're going to get 4 of the 18-ounce bowls. I'm showing you the floral lace, which is the beautiful engraving on the outside, the hand painting on the inside. And then you're going to get 4 of our 14-ounce mugs. Love these. It's our chubby belly design. It's our most popular shape. You're getting all of the 16 pieces service for 4. But this is dinnerware that goes into the oven up to 500 degrees. It goes in the microwave, the refrigerator, the freezer, the dishwasher. And wow, what a great day to pick up dinnerware.
Well, I can hear you now, Lisa, and you're exactly right. I can tell you now we've taken orders for over 400 sets. This is the confetti. Now we've got all of your woodland in stock. Now I had this for you in the taupe, 175. Here's the gray, 175. The buttercream, fewer than 500. The slate blue, 600, and the always popular white. 750 left in this woodland white, and I will warn you that this will likely be the first woodland color to sell out. Please get this now while you can. Now, back here we have it for you in the chocolate, in the floral lace. This is the Hello Yellow, brought back in honor of the 20th anniversary of Temp-tations. 185. Don't forget red, 650. Here's cranberry, available. Come over here, I've got black. This is the blue, and these have glare on them. There's the blue. Here's the gray, the taupe, and then Old World. I've got yellow, 225, green, then the blue, then the gray, and finally the taupe. 500 sets are gone. Final order of the year. You may order as many sets as you need. So 1 set is service for 4, 2 sets service for 8, 3 sets service for 12. Lots and lots of you are making your choice. We're still very busy on the phone lines from our gas gauge and the Henningly grill brush. So let me encourage you to utilize QVC.com in your mobile app. Lisa, these are going very quickly, but let's remind everyone these are stoneware. So everything you know to be true about your stoneware is true here about the dinnerware.
Yeah, I'm going to walk on over to my oven and just show you exactly right. It's not just another pretty plate. This is a baking piece as well. So on that dinner plate, I can now heat up my pizza, heat up my pastas, put my mac and cheese in there, and now it becomes a baking dish. So what I love about this is it takes you from everyday to holiday. And David, you're right. We're not bringing any more in this year. So everything that you see today is all that we have for the next 6 months. So
Wow.
that means Thanksgiving and Christmas and all those holidays that we have coming up. But the great part about stoneware is it keeps hot foods hotter longer, but cold foods colder longer. So it's great to have on your summertime table as well.
Oh my goodness, I love taking my dinnerware and warming it before
Yeah.
I serve dinner for a dinner party. But if you're doing a cold salad, like a mayonnaise-based salad, then chill your dishes
Yes.
before you serve that. You could even go ahead and serve the bowls and then park them all in the fridge and keep them nice and icy cold until you're ready to serve them. 900 sets are now gone, and Lisa makes a great point. This is the whole supply we're going to have between now and the end of the year. So it's important to know if you're hosting Thanksgiving or Christmas this year and you need a certain color, maybe to complete a collection you already have or buy a new collection, this is your chance. Now, what I have in front of me is confetti. Now, very popular are the woodland collections. So let me update you on woodland. Remember, this is our only order of the year. So here it is in the taupe, 150 left in the taupe. I have gray. 130, this is buttercream. 450, the slate blue, fewer than 600, and the most popular is the white. Fewer than 500, and those white plates are gorgeous. Now, back here in floral lace, I've got chocolate, fewer than 4 dozen. There's the hello yellow, 150, the red. Then I've got cranberry. From there into the black. And from the black, we take you into blue, very popular, then the gray, then the taupe. If you're after Old World, I can help you there as well. This is Hello Yellow, 200 left there. Green, the first color ever in the Old World pattern, is back. We have blue, one of our best sellers. We have gray, and finally we have the taupe. Let me move out of the way of the taupe. 1,200 sets are out the door. 1,800 people are on the phone lines. And we have 43,000 shoppers right now browsing about and shopping on QVC.com. Everyone's enjoying Free Shipping Sunday. And we're loving that these are on free ship, Lisa, because now we can get those extra sets of 4, those extra sets of service of 4. And then we've got service for 8 or 12, and you've got some for breakage. You've got some that, that you may need for big groups and big gatherings. And there is 0 shipping and handling on no matter how many sets you order.
Yes. Yeah, and David, when I think about the free shipping and handling, first of all, it's a great gift, whether you're going to weddings or showers. What a great gift to somebody. Maybe the white woodland would be your choice because you're not exactly sure what color that they do collect. But what I love most about what we're offering today is that for 20 years, Tara Tescher has created the most beautiful, iconic designs. But Temp-tations is truly a lifestyle brand. So you pick up your dinnerware, but think about where else can you find that your oven gloves and your tea kettles are actually going to match things like your dinnerware. This is just a complete line. So the fact that everything can coordinate back, we do all the heavy lifting for you, no pun intended, and get dinnerware that is quite honestly so heavy home at $0 is just amazing. What a wonderful opportunity.
It's our final order of the year. We will not be reordering this dinnerware in calendar year 2022. So if you need this for holiday gatherings, special occasions, you're renovating your kitchen, you're redoing your color palette, or you've had some breakage and you need some new dinnerware to replace some older pieces, then we're going to help you out with all of that. Look at our styled table. Can you believe how beautiful this is? Can you believe it? Yeah, I know. So we've got a beautiful buttercream set up with our Bumblebee collection from Temp-tations. So really, really beautiful. Don't miss out on these. We're getting very busy on our phone lines. Let me update you. We have the confetti on the table here. Again, 4 dinner plates, 4 salad bowls, 4 soup cereal bowls, and 4 of the 14-ounce mugs. Now, this is confetti. If you want any of our woodland, they're all getting limited. If you want the taupe, 150, the gray, 100, the buttercream, 400 left, the slate blue, 550, and this white, 350 remaining. Every time I update you on the white, another couple hundred have flown out the door. Let me take you through chocolate and floral lace, 3 dozen, then the beautiful yellow. Turn that just a hair. There we are. And then we've got red and cranberry. Then we're going to take you shopping for black, then blue, then gray, then taupe. That completes floral lace. And then finally in Old World, I have Hello Yellow, the green, the blue, the gray, and finally the taupe. These are 5 easy payments, and they're free shipping and handling. We have now taken orders for well over 2,200 sets. We have how many folks on the phone lines?
Wow.
1,700 people on the phone lines. Please utilize QVC.com in your mobile app. Best way to get through right now. And I'm not saying Susan is lazy, but she does tend to go in circles. Those are some clues as to what Lisa has coming up.